Good evening guys. So now nag-ano tayo ngayon ng parcel. Mag-i-issuance tayo ng parcel yan with fruits. So yan guys, yan ang extra fruits natin. Assalamualaikum. Yan, kukuha na yung ating kliyente. Yan, kukuha na sila. Ayan guys, kukuha na. What is this? Very big and round. Yeah. Let's look at that one. See? Yeah, this is Mr. Ayub. And the one guy is from Pakistan. They are sitting there. Oh, see? Yeah. So today will be to issuance of parcel for the suhoor. For suhoor, yes. Yeah. So now see, they are looking. They are giving now the food for suhoor time. This place is Arabic parcel, and this is Asian parcel. Yeah, look at that. See, there are coming people for collecting the food. So look at that. See? Now they are preparing for this, yes. So yeah, the extra. So ayan, gagawin natin po dyan, isusulat natin yung line para ayan, na-receive na nila. Ayan, nandumami na po. Bye guys, next video again. Thank you, bye bye.